Today I'm gonna get y'all right with songs for the holidays. You know, we got different family members coming in from out of town. You dealing with people you probably really don't want to deal with. Just the stress of getting everything together, especially if you're hosting. So yeah, I just want to give you some different songs that can make it a little smoother for you. Okay. The first one is Psalm 97. This is to bring family unity. So even if your family already tight knit, hey, still you just want to keep it even tighter because the enemy is attacking every day. Okay, so to bring family unity, with this psalm, you're gonna want to, after you read each verse, in between it, just put repeat, bring us together, Lord, in that person's name, like bring us together, Lord, Jane Doe. Okay, so do that between every verse. And also I still put everything in the description box below so that you'll know, because I'm trying to make these quick, fast, in and out. Okay. And 40, like I've already posted that plenty of times. That is great for when you're frustrated or when you're stressed. It is kind of not too long, not like some of them, but it is kind of lengthy. But that's great for any time you're stressed. And you don't have to just use these for the holidays. You can use these for, you can apply these to any time of your life that you need it, not just for the holidays. But so yeah, Psalm 40 for when you're stressed or frustrated. Psalm 3 to have a nice day. Now, when you read Psalm 3, you can say this prayer right here that I'm putting right here. Say this before you say the psalm and after you say the psalm. Okay, so you're gonna say Psalm 3. And before you say that, say this prayer, then say Psalms 3, then say the prayer again after it. Okay. So 118, that's a good prayer of thanksgiving. Just when you want to give thanks, that's a good prayer. And 30 is good to become patient and just showing gratitude for many blessings. And if you don't want to read these songs, just say your own prayer that you're thankful. Just let God know that you are thankful. Hey, that you're able to be here with your family again. Y'all eating good food, living good, everybody elevating, and just thankful, you know. So, hey, throw that in along with these songs. And 108, you can use this song to have a blessed home. You can read it, or you can go a step further and you can take it and you can print out Psalm 108, or you can write it out, whatever your spirit is leading you to do, and put that over your entry door. I say on the inside, but if you feel you want to put it on the outside, that's cool. Laminated so it's protected throughout the different weathers and stuff. So you can just put that Psalm 108. You can print it out, write it out, whatever. Put it over your doorway, the entryway, whichever way has a lot of traffic. That's where you want to put it. On the inside, or if you want to put it on the outside, you put it on the outside, but I say put it on the inside. Okay. The next one is 150. That's a prayer to give thanks. This is another prayer just because you're just doing this just because. 150, Psalm 150 is a prayer to give thanks. Okay. And we should be doing that every day anyway, just giving thanks to God just because of who He is. The next one is Psalm 107, verse 40 through 42. And this is just a general prayer for praying over your family. Those are short verses, but you can add, sprinkle your own little stuff on there. What do you want for your family? Okay? And then another good one is Matthew chapter 25, verse 35 through 40. You can speak this over the dinner table before grace. Okay. And also, y'all, just to plug in, this is my new candle line right here. It will be available next week. Y'all, I'm telling you, next week. I was thinking about releasing it like this Friday after Thanksgiving, but I don't know. Y'all just be on the lookout. Just know it is coming. So these are my 7-day candles, and these are my intention candles. So yeah, y'all just y'all stay blessed and highly favored. I'm wishing y'all just great, just happiness, just everything. I'm sending y'all so much love and light during the holiday season and just for your life, period. So yes, y'all stay blessed and highly favored, and until next time.